Hello everyone, here we are on the Tamiami Trail in the heart of the Florida Everglades, taking a turn off onto this loop road. If you look on Google Maps in the middle of the Tamiami Trail, you'll see this 25-mile road that sort of parallels it, and it takes you deeper into the Everglades. And as you see, it's mostly a dirt road, and you got to watch out for potholes. Here's a little trail by one of the pull-offs. Now we started out on the western side of this road. You can do it in either direction. But as we started out on this western side, at the end of the dry season, right before the rainy season in the summer, there was very little water around here. And we're hoping as we get further along, the wildlife will be concentrated where the water is. Looks like Atomic Surf Dog likes things so far.
Dog. You gonna blick the camera?
Now here, as we got further along on this road, probably halfway in, we started hitting the wetter areas. And there are literally hundreds of birds back in here. We can't get out on foot because they seem to be more scared of that than a car. But you can kind of hear them. There's hundreds of them back in here. And here's our first gator. Also, if you look in the water at those things that look like clumps, it's actually a bunch of fish. This is what I was talking about with the birds. If you try to walk towards them, they fly away. And you walk towards them and they fly away. But there are hundreds of them back here. You can hear them. Now, I'd say it would take at least an hour and a half to go on this road, although you are kind of paralleling the Tamiami Trail. The reason is you're stopping and you can't go that fast because then you don't see the potholes in time, and there's some big ones. A couple more gators here and lots of birds. And then we found what I would call Gatorland, if there wasn't already something trademarked. Up and down from here, there is literally 30, 40, 50 gators. You can't see them all on the camera, some of the lighting. They're everywhere.
It's just a jackpot.
This is 14 megapixel camera. So look, one there, two there. There's one over there too. This thing here shows you that the water gets as much as about 3.5 feet higher. And there's an old gas station here, and a bunch of people actually live here. Grandfathered in. And a little bit of the road on the eastern end is paved. Not much overall, though. And here we are, several miles further down the Tamiami Trail, on our way to Miami. Thanks for watching, everybody.